I can. I can swim well. I can swim well. It was. It was great. It was great. I began. I began living by myself. I began living by myself. See you. See you tomorrow, buddy. See you tomorrow, buddy. Is it okay if? Is it okay if I sit here? Is it okay if I sit here? I came to say sorry. I came to say sorry. Return to your work. Return to your work. I hope you'll be fine. I hope you'll be fine. Let's wait till they leave. Let's wait till they leave. I hate it when you tell lies. I hate it when you tell lies. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. I don't know who they are. I don't know who they are. I don't know who they are. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. Hand me that bag. Hand me that bag. I forgot to close the door. I forgot to close the door. It doesn't look like water. It doesn't look like water. Let's start with the good news. Let's start with the good news. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I go to school 5 days a week. I go to school 5 days a week. You don't have to. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it. I was the only one who knew about it. I was the only one who knew about it. This place is really noisy. This place is really noisy. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what they say. It doesn't matter what they say. Don't forget to close the door. Don't forget to close the door. Remember to say thank you. Remember to say thank you. I can't keep going. I can't keep going. I can still remember what you said. I can still remember what you said. I'm afraid I took your umbrella by mistake. I'm afraid I took your umbrella by mistake. I don't agree with you on this point. I don't agree with you on this point. You look depressed. You look depressed. I advise you to study more. I advise you to study more. Wake me up when we get there. Wake me up when we get there. I feel like going out for a walk. I feel like going out for a walk. You may leave at any time. You may leave at anytime. Don't be late for. Don't be late for the meeting. Don't be late for the meeting. It seems like. It seems like they're in love. It seems like they're in love. It's just a game. It's just a game. It sounds like someone is crying. It sounds like someone is crying. It was nothing but a coincidence. It was nothing but a coincidence. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. I want to apologize for what I did. I want to apologize for what I did. I can see why. I can see why she doesn't want to go. I can see why she doesn't want to go. I have no time to. I have no time to listen to you. I have no time to listen to you. I managed to get there in time. I managed to get there in time. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. I can't remember the last time I took a vacation. I can't remember the last time I took a vacation. It takes time to. It takes an hour to get to the station. It takes an hour to get to the station. I decided to go swimming. I decided to go swimming. It was me who paid the bill. It was me who paid the bill. Promise me you won't do that again. Promise me you won't do that again. Be careful what? Be careful what you say. Be careful what you say. I don't think he will come. I don't think he will come. I borrowed a book from this library. I borrowed a book from this library. There is no chance Ali will be here on time. There is no chance Ali will be here on time. I seldom drink coffee. I seldom drink coffee. It's clear Ali and Sarah don't want to spend time together. It's clear Ali and Sarah don't want to spend time together. See if the lights are turned off. See if the lights are turned off. I asked someone to. I asked him to go out. I asked him to go out. Keep away from the fire. Keep away from the fire. Ali became a teacher. Ali became a teacher. Both of my parents can speak French. Both of my parents can speak French. What exactly are you looking for? What exactly are you looking for? Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. Perhaps it will rain tomorrow. I've never been to Tehran before. I've never been to Tehran before. Look what I found under the sofa. Look what I found under the sofa. It's already open. It's already open. Are you afraid of? Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of the dark? How about going to a movie? How about going to a movie? Ali knows how to. Ali knows how to make Sarah happy. Ali knows how to make Sarah happy. It's time for you to. It's time for you to go to bed. It's time for you to go to bed. It was obvious that Ali wanted to marry Sarah. It was obvious that Ali wanted to marry Sarah. It's been 3 years since. It's been 3 years since Ali graduated from high school. It's been 3 years since Ali graduated from high school. Ali began to lose weight 3 months ago. Ali began to lose weight 3 months ago. I can't come right now. I can't come right now. I don't expect you to. I don't expect you to understand this. I don't expect you to understand this. Ali bumped into Sarah on his way to school. Ali bumped into Sarah on his way to school. This looks delicious. This looks delicious. Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite actor? Who's your favorite actor? All I need is 3 more days. All I need is 3 more days. If I have a lot of money, I will buy a car. If I have a lot of money, I will buy a car. Ali wondered which one he should get. Ali wondered which one he should get. How do you upload a video? How do you upload a video? I probably speak French better than him. I probably speak French better than him. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Try not to think about it. Try not to think about it. Ali managed to do it himself. Tom managed to do it himself. When does the boss leave? When does the boss leave? Some of the workers have no experience. Some of the workers have no experience. Neither Ali nor Sarah went to Tehran. No matter who said so, it's not true. No matter who said so, it's not true. Can you teach me how to? Can you teach me how to play the guitar like you do? Can you teach me how to play the guitar like you do? Ali asked if I needed a taxi. Ali asked if I needed a taxi. Are you good at math? Are you good at math? How exactly does this work? How exactly does this work? Let's ask Ali if he knows what to do. Let's ask Ali if he knows what to do. In a way, I'm glad I never met Ali. In a way, I'm glad I never met Ali. Ali is a native speaker of English. Ali is a native speaker of English. Have you been working there for a long time? Have you been working there for a long time?